How to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can deactivate Instagram account temporarily. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application in a mobile device and make sure to log into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. So from your profile page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the three-line icon. That's gonna take you to your settings and activity. Here, scroll down a bit. So here, you have to tap on Account Center at the top. Now, scroll down a bit, then tap on Personal Details. Under the Personal Details, there is an option at the last that says Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. Then choose the second option that says Deactivation or Deletion. Now select your Instagram account. Now you will have two options, either to deactivate your account or to delete your account. So to deactivate your account permanently, you have to choose the first option and then tap on Continue. Now for your security, you have to re-enter your password to continue. So provide your account password. Then tap on Continue. Now, you have to provide the reason why you are deactivating your Instagram account. So here you have to choose a reason. Then tap on Continue. Now, in order to confirm your account deactivation, tap on Account Deactivate or Deactivate Account option. And with that, you have deactivated your Instagram account temporarily. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.